I'm fed up of coughing. Honest to God. I've been like this literally all day, just coughing all the time. And I'm losing my voice too. Holy shit. And the worst part is because of how congested I am. I try because I keep getting the sensation that I need to sneeze and I can't actually sneeze. No matter how much I look at the lights or anything, so I'm probably going to have to make myself sneeze because I feel like I need to. And also it's probably the only enjoyable thing about being sick because the other stuff isn't really that great, to be honest. But obviously, sneezing makes me feel really good, so... Ew. I'll stop. I feel awful.